Did you know that recruiters spend less time reviewing a resume than it takes to microwave a bag of popcorn? It's true. Studies show that the average time spent on a CV is only 7.4 seconds. If you want to land your dream job, you need to make every second count. So, how can you make your resume stand out? Keep watching Just Entry for more. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to create a CV that will grab the attention of hiring managers faster than a Kardashian at a red carpet event. First things first, let's talk about appearances. Remember, a good resume needs to be visually appealing and make a great first impression. So, ditch the funky fonts and cheesy clip art, and go for a clean, minimalist design that won't make the recruiter's eyes bleed. Use bold text, bullet points, and strategic spacing to make your resume look organized and professional. Make sure it's easy on the eyes and easy to read. You want your resume to stand out for all the right reasons, not because it's an eyesore. Tailor your resume to the job description. No one wants a generic, one-size-fits-all resume. It's like wearing a clown suit to a funeral, it just doesn't fit. Instead, take the time to tailor your resume to the job description. Use the company's own buzzwords and phrases to show that you're the perfect match for the job. This way, your resume will be a perfect fit, like a glove. Use action words to highlight your achievements. Recruiters are tired of reading boring, soulless resumes that make them want to take a nap. So, don't just list your job duties. Use action words and quantify your achievements to show them what you're made of. Show them how you slayed the dragons of your past jobs and saved the company from certain doom. Incorporate keywords from the job description. You're not just a human anymore, you're a machine. An ATS machine. To get through the robot filter, use the same keywords and phrases as the job description. This way, you'll make it past the applicant tracking system and into the hands of a real person. Just don't forget to add some human touches to your resume, or you'll end up looking like a robot. Show your personality. Don't be a robot, be a human. Show your personality in your resume, whether it's a witty personal statement or a list of your favorite hobbies. Just make sure it's appropriate and relevant to the job. You don't want to scare off the recruiter with your love of taxidermy or cosplay. Unless, of course, you're applying to be a professional taxidermist or cosplayer. So there you have it, folks. With these tips and tricks, you'll have a resume that will make recruiters say, "Wow," instead of, "Nah." Remember, your resume is your ticket to the big leagues, so make it count. Good luck, and may the job odds be ever in your favor.